Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Today, new recipe, salmon with crushed new potato. You will love it. So we will do it together, quickly. We'll need for this recipe olive oil, boiled new potato, just peel them and boil them in water. Just we put them, we need to crush, peel them, just a bit heat. Use a fork and just crush them, gently crush them like that. And you take them. We just need them to absorb this olive oil. Just put them to the side. Just add them like that. Yes. Now we add some coriander. So we have here new potato, shallot and coriander. Thymian, just a little bit. Now we will season some pepper and salt, and you see, beautiful like that. Yes, okay. In a separate bowl, we will do something Moroccan. So we take carrot, already boiled carrot. We add a little bit garlic. Chopped garlic, some coriander, olive oil. It's like a warm salad. We will do it like a warm salad. Some salt, some paprika, just a little bit of paprika, a touch paprika, and a touch of pepper. That's it. So you see it, it's like that, beautiful. So we keep it inside. So we will just season it. Easy. Okay. A little bit salt. Sorry. Touch pepper. And just touch of dry chili. So in a hot pan, made olive oil, and I put the salmon, the skin, that, see, because we will have it crispy. Don't be afraid. The salmon needs 4 till 5 minutes to cook. So we'll add garlic, just smash it like that, and some thymian to the side, some lemon juice, see here the skin. Wow, that's what I want. You see, we just turn it like that. Wow, and keep oil also. Great. It's ready. Oh, crispy. So I already put here potato and the Moroccan carrots, warm salad. I will use my honey mustard vinaigrette. It's easy. I prepare it just with some honey, mustard, olive oil, and pepper. Great. Then here, just a little bit on top here. So that's what I love with this cherry tomato in oven. That's great. Put it in here. And some lemon chips. Recipe, lovely crispy salmon with crushed new potato. You will love it. Please try it at home and give me feedback. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe. See you next time and bye bye.